Good day everyone, I am Rocky Jones Samonti. I am a student of RCBMCFI, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Section E. So today I want to talk about why teaching is the noblest profession. So teaching is called the noblest profession because all other professions start with it. Before a person becomes a doctor, engineer, nurse, or leader, that person is first taught by a teacher. So, teacher helps students learn how to read, write, and understand basic knowledge. Without teacher, people would not gain the skills they need to succeed in life. This is why teaching is very important in society. Teaching is not only about giving lesson from books, it also about helping students grow as good people. So teacher teach students how to behave properly, how to respect others, and how to be responsible. They help students understand what is right and what is wrong. Many lessons taught by teachers are used by students in their daily lives, not only in school. Teachers play many roles in the classroom. They guide students when they are confused and help them understand difficult lessons. They encourage students when learning becomes hard. Teachers also serve as a good example for their students. Students often copy how teachers speak, act, and treat others. Because of this, teacher must show good behavior at all times. Many teachers also act like second parents to their students. They listen to students' problem and try to help when students feel sad, tired, or discouraged. Teachers care about the safety and well-being of their students inside the classroom. For some students, school become a safe place because of kind and caring teacher. So teacher is not an easy job. Teachers face many challenges every day. They handle many students in one class and deal with different learning abilities. They spend a lot of time preparing lesson and checking student work. Even after school hours, many teachers continue working at home. Although the work is tiring, teachers continue because they care about their students. Teachers keep teaching because they believe education can change lives. They feel happy when they see students improve and succeed. For teachers, the biggest reward is seeing their students reach their dreams. A simple thank you or a smile from a student can make a teacher feel proud and satisfied. Many teachers also act like second parents to their students. In fact, for many young people, teachers are the first adult outside their family who truly listen to them. A teacher does not only teach lesson from a book, a teacher teaches life. When a student is sad, tired, confused, or discouraged, a caring teacher notices. They see the change in behavior, the silence, the lack of energy, or the loss of confidence. Instead of ignoring it, they ask, "Are you okay?" That simple question can mean everything to a struggled student. Teachers listen to students' problems. Sometimes the problems are about school, such as failing a quiz or not understanding a lesson. But sometimes The problem are deeper family issues, financially struggles, bullying, self-doubt, or fear of the future. A teacher may not be able to solve all these problems, but they offer sometimes very powerful understanding. They give students a safe space to talk, to cry, to breathe, and to feel that they are not alone. Because of kind and caring teacher, school become more than just a place to learn. It becomes a place of comfort and safety. Inside the classroom, teachers care deeply about safety and well-being of their students. They make sure the environment is respectful and fair. They protect students from harm, from bullying, and from discrimination. They teach students to treat each other with kindness and respect. For many students, especially those who come from difficult homes, schools becomes their second home, and their teachers becomes their second parents. However, teaching is not an easy job. In fact, it is one of the most challenging profession in the world. Every day, teachers face many responsibility and difficulties. Imagine standing in front of 30, 40, or even 50 students with different personalities, attitude, and learning abilities. Some students learn fast, others need more time. Some are motivated, others feel hopeless. Some are disciplined, others are easily distracted. Yet the teacher must reach all of them. Teacher prepare lesson plan that fit different learning styles. They think carefully about how to explain lesson in simple and meaningful ways. They create activities, discussion, and exercise that help students understand. They also spend long hours checking quizzes, projects, and exams. After class, while students go home to rest, many teachers continue working, planning tomorrow lessons, checking papers, answering messages, and preparing materials. Even on weekends and holidays, teachers often still work. They attend seminars, training, and meetings. They reflect on how to become better educators. They worry about students who are falling behind. They ask themselves, how can I help the students more? Although the job is tiring, teachers continue because they truly care about their students' growth and future. Teacher Teacher deserve and respect appreciation because they give their time, effort, patience, and heart to educate others. Every single day, teachers wake up early, prepare their lesson, and enter the classroom with one main goal: to help their students learn and grow. They do not only teach subjects like math, science, or language. They teach values, they teach discipline, they teach confidence, they teach students how to believe in themselves. Teaching is not just a job, it is calling. A job can be done for money, but a calling is done with purpose. Teachers choose this profession not because it is easy, but because it is meaningful. They choose to shape minds, guide hearts, and build futures. They stand in front of their students not only as instructor but as a mentors, role models, and second parents. It requires love, dedication, and sacrifice. Love because teachers care deeply about their students. Dedication because they commit themselves fully to their work. And sacrifice because they often give more than they receive. Many teachers spend their own money on classroom supplies. They stay late to help students who are struggling. They worry about their students even after school hours. Many teachers do not earn high salaries, but they continue because they believe in the value of what they do. They believe that education is more powerful than money. They believe that helping one student can change a family, a community, and even a nation. Their work may not always be seen, but its impact lasts forever. The lessons teachers give do not end when the bell rings. The value they teach stay with students for life. As students may forget a formula or a definition. In many ways, teachers are builders of the future. Every doctor who saves lives, every engineer who build bridges, every leaders who serve the people, and every parent who raise good children. All of them were once student in a classroom, guided by a teacher. Without teacher, there would be no progress. Without teachers, there would be growth. Teacher guide student only academically but also emotionally and morally. They help students understand what is right and what is wrong. They teach them to respect others, to work hard, and to never stop learning. They show by example how to be patient, kind, and strong even in difficult situations. Teachers also inspire students. Inspiration is powerful. It gives hope. It gives courage when a teacher shares their own struggles and successes. Students learn that failure is not the end. It is part of the journey. A good teacher does not only say, study harder, but teachers say, I believe in you. Behind every successful person is a teacher who once believed in them. Someone who saw their potential before they saw it themselves. Someone who pushed them to try again after they failed. Someone who reminded them that their dreams were worth fighting for. Teachers deserve our respect, our gratitude, and our support for the important of important role they play in our lives. Respect because they shape minds. Gratitude because they give so much of themselves. Support because they cannot do this work alone. In conclusion, teaching is truly the noblest profession because it shapes the future. Teachers do not just teach lessons, they build lives.